ezyZip.
How to extract your Twitter or X data to zip archive. Go to x.com and log into your account. Request an archive of all of your data information by clicking on More, Settings and Privacy. Once there, click on your account, and click Download an archive of your data. X will ask for your verification. After that, you can click Request Archive to request the data. X will notify you once the archive is ready for download. When you receive a notification and/or email from X stating that your archive is ready for download, you can download it from the same area at which you placed the request. Once downloaded, you can use ezyZip to extract the contents of the zip file you downloaded. It's free, fast, and easy. I'll attach the link in the description. After extracting the content of the archive, open the HTML file. And voila! It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.
ezyZip.